Okay, good morning 8th class students. Today we are learning about the mensuration chapter. It is for you in 9th class and it is also in 10th class. So I have to start the mensuration chapter here. So you have to follow regular classes for this chapter mensuration. Here I have assigned a dimensional figure cube here. Already you know that cube has 6 faces, each are squares. All of you know about the square, all of you know about the cube. I have, okay, all of you seen here, this is a cube. How many faces are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All are squares. So this chalk piece box is in the form of a cube. So already know that cube has 6 faces, each are squares. Lateral surface area of a cube formula is 4a square, and total surface area of a cube is 6a square, and volume of a cube is length into breadth into height. Length is a, breadth is a, and height is a into a into a is a cube. So our volume of a cube formula is a cube. All of you understand or not? You have to know the 3 formulas. You have to learn 3 formulas here for the cube. One is lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square, and total surface area of a cube is 6a square. Volume of a cube is a cube. I have given one example sum for you to understand these 3 formulas. Find the lateral surface area and total surface area and cube and volume of a cube of side 4 centimeters. Okay, here side is given is 4 centimeters. That is A is equal to 4 centimeters. Next we have, first we have to find the lateral surface area. What is the formula for lateral surface area? Lateral surface of a cube is 4a square. So here 4 into, what is the value of A here? 4. So I have to put the value of A here. 4 into 4 square. That means 4 square means 4 into 4. So here 4 into 4 into 4. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64 centimeters square. So our lateral surface area answer is 64 centimeters square. So you have to find the next. You have to find the total surface of a cube. What is the formula for total surface of a cube is 6a square. So you have to put the value of 4 in the formula. 6 into 4 square. That is 6 into 4 into 4. That is equal to 4 for the 16, 16 6 are 96 centimeters square. So our total surface area of a cube answer is 96 centimeters square. Next, find the volume of a cube. Volume of a cube formula is a cube. So you have to put the value of A is 4. That is 4 cube. So 4 into 4 into 4. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. So the volume of a cube is 64 centimeter cube. You already know that the volume, all volumes are in cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters or cubic meters? Cubic units. Okay. I have explained another dimension figure, cuboid. You already know that your notebooks all are in a cuboid shape. Cuboid had 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. So there are 3 formulas for the cuboid. I have written here. Lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2h into L plus B, and total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, and volume of a cuboid is LBH. I have given one example to understand this sum. Find the lateral total surface area and volume of a cuboid of length 12 centimeters, breadth 10 centimeters and height is 8 centimeters. What is the formula for lateral surface of a cuboid? 2h into L plus B. So you have to put the values of h, L and B in the formula. 2 into, what is the value of h is 8. You have to put the value of 8 here. And what is the value of L? 12. So you have to put the value of 12 here. And what is the value of B? 10. You have to put the value of 10 here. 2 8 is 16 into, what is the value of 12 plus 10? 22. So I have to put the value of 22 here. We have to multiply 16 and 22. We have to get 352 centimeters square answer. So you get the answer. Lattice surface of a cuboid is 352. Next one is total surface area of a cuboid. What is the formula for total surface of a cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So you have to put the values of LBH in this formula. 2 into what the value of L is 12 into value of B is 10. So 12 into 10 plus the value of B is 10 and height value of H is 8. 10 into 8 plus value of L is 12 into the value of H is 8. We have to put the value 2 into 12 tens are 120 plus 10 8 are 80 plus 12 8 are 96. 2 into 120 plus 80 plus 96 is 296. So 2 into 296 is 592 centimeter square. So our total surface area of a cuboid is 592 centimeter square. Next one, volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid formula is LBH. The value of L is 12, value of B is 10, value of H is 8. 12 into 10 into 8, that is equal to 960 centimeter cube. Next, I have to explain another sum. If L is equal to 10 centimeters, B is equal to 5 centimeters, H is equal to 6 centimeters, find the four walls of a room. The formula for four walls of a room and lattice surface of a cuboid both are equal. What is the formula for lattice surface of a cuboid? 2H into L plus B. Here the four walls of a room also the formula is 2H into L plus B. So you have to put the values of H and B in this formula. 2 into what is the value of H? 6. Put here. What is the value of L? 10. Put here. And what is the value of B? 5. Put here. 2 into 6, 12 into 10 plus 5 is 15. 12 15s are 180 centimeters square. Okay, I will give a worksheet for you. You have to do the sums, and you have some more sums in 9th class textbook. So I have to do it also. After that, I will explain the 10th class sums. I have to do it in the 9th class textbook sums also. I have given a worksheet for you. Here I have given 3 sums for you. Here first sum is the side of a cube is 6 centimeters, and then find lattice surface area, total surface area, and volume of a cube. And I given another sum for you. Find lattice surface area, total surface area, and volume of a cuboid if length is equal to 15 centimeters, breadth is equal to 10 centimeters, and height is equal to 6 centimeters. And second sum is length 6 centimeters, breadth 5 centimeters, and height is 4 centimeters. And third sum is L 4 centimeters, breadth 8 centimeters, and height is 5 centimeters. I have given the third sum is find the four walls of a room if length is 16 centimeters and breadth is 12 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters. All of you note these sums and do it in your notebook. Okay.